In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an Asana project. Whether you're managing tasks, timelines, or team collaborations, duplicating a project in Asana can save you the hassle of starting from scratch every time you embark on a similar initiative. Let's walk through the steps together and make this process as seamless as possible. First, we're going to navigate to Asana, your starting point for accessing all your project management needs. If you haven't already, open your preferred browser and head over to the Asana login page. Once there, you'll need to enter your email address in the designated field. This will be the email linked to your Asana account, so make sure it's correct. Once that's done, click the Continue button to move forward. Asana will prompt you to enter your password next. Type in your password carefully to ensure you don't miss a keystroke and then click Login. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is your dashboard where you can access all your projects and tasks. From here, locate the specific project you want to duplicate. This might be listed on your homepage, or you might need to use the search feature to find it. Once you have your project in view, click on it to open it up. Now you're looking at the detailed view of your project, showcasing tasks, deadlines, and potentially a lot more. Next, direct your attention to the Actions menu. It's a drop-down menu usually located near the top of your project page. Click on it to see a list of available actions you can perform on your project. Among these options, you should find Duplicate. Click on Duplicate to initiate the process of creating a copy of your initial project. Before the duplication process is complete, Asana will ask you to give your duplicate project a name, so make sure it's distinct enough to avoid any confusion with your original. You'll also have the chance to select what details you want to carry over to your new project. This involves choosing which project details you want duplicated, such as tasks, assignees, due dates, and any specific project tabs that you might have set up. Take a moment to review these options and select the elements that are most vital for your new project. Once you've made your selections, you're almost done. Scroll down and find the Duplicate Project button and click it. This will execute the duplication process and create a new project in your Asana workspace with the configurations you've just set. It may take a moment depending on the complexity of the original project, but soon enough your new project will appear, ready to be customized further as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully duplicated an Asana project, optimizing your workflow and saving valuable time. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to replicate your efforts for similar projects. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.